Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I make this paper thin coconut cookies. Very delicious and easy to follow. Just follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first ingredient we need to start off with, we need 3 sticks of butter. I mean, that's the secret to the flat paper shape cookies. If you want to get them flat as a paper or something like that, you want 3.5 sticks of butter, or 3 sticks to be pretty enough. Now I'm using butter that ain't salted, so you want to add some salt to it. We'll get that method in a minute. Let's put this in here. This is unsalted butter. Okay, we're going to have to get this to room temperature. This is nothing. We're going to put this into the microwave, let this melt down a little bit because it's the secret to the cookies. We'll come back. Okay, we're going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. Very important. Okay. Next, we're going to add in 2.5 cups granulated sugar, and then we're going to add in 2 eggs, or 3 eggs, sorry. Give a ½ teaspoon of salt, followed by some vanilla extract, and that'd be a tablespoon. Okay, we're going to whisk this together kind of gradually so it don't make a mess. And next, we're going to go ahead, I don't know how that was, but we're going to go ahead and put some bags of coconut. We're going to put the full bag of coconut in there. And we're going to mix that together. And then we're going to slowly start whisking in the flour. A little bit at a time. You want to add 3 to 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, the next step you want to have a cookie cutter or scooper, and you take your cookie scooper and you scoop just enough, and you're going to put it onto parchment paper. Okay, just repeat that same method. I'm going to put this right on the parchment paper. Kind of spread them out because when they go to be smashed down, they could stick together, so you don't want to put too much at once on. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. That's just my puppy making that noise. Guys, you're playing with a toy chicken. That'd be enough for now. Okay, what you want to do with this is put your hands in some water, because you're going to need that so they don't stick to your hands. And you want to flatten them out just as much as you can. That'd be good on that. And you're gonna do this same method. And you can get as flat as possible, flat as a pancake. Yeah, she's going nuts on that thing. Okay, now that is the position that you're looking for right there. Look at that. When you add enough butter to it, you get that kind of results. Look how flat that is. That's just like a pancake. That's flatter than a pancake. That's paper thin. And you let them, don't pull them off right off the bat, because you gotta allow them to harden, get crispy, because they'll be they'll be real soft when they come out, but they'll harden up real quick. Okay, look at these. These are the paper thin cookies. Look at that. Look at that. That is paper thin. You can see it. Look at that. Now listen to the sound of this. Very crispy, very tasty. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoy my video, hit that subscribe button and don't hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time.